Today here at Sci-Port, we are hosting our first LEGO League Challenge tournament. Rookie teams that just began their first LEGO League Challenge adventure, and so I'm sure that they're nervous but excited, so it'll be really cool to see them compete and show all that they've been learning.
So my name is Lou Pape. I'm the education manager here at Sci-Port, and we are hosting the 2022 First LEGO League Qualifying Competition for the state of Louisiana. So we have about 3 teams today that are here that are learning a little bit about how to program a robot, learning about gracious professionalism and core values. They're learning about, they're judged on and learn about how do you design and program a robot to do these things.
So first, the organization is really fantastic about having students not only have competition, but they call it cooperation. And so cooperation and competition, which also leads into one of their overarching core goals, which is gracious professionalism.
So there's 4 parts to it. So they're judged on core values, teamwork, tell me about the subject in the area. They're judged about how is it designed and how is it, why did you choose to program it and build it this way? And then they're judged on, they get 2.5 minutes to run around and try to do a bunch of stuff.
A big thing for me that I love that the students are getting out of this programming is learning how to become a team and work together and work through these challenges together.
It's teamwork and engineering concepts and principles at its best.